Hello,
Yes.
Mohammed.
Hey,
Mohammed,
hey,
congratulations,
Jason.
congratulations.
Thank you very much.
We get a home sold.
I know. Thank you for the help also. It has been a wonderful experience.
Wonderful
working with you.
experience.
Yes. Very
Good.
nice.
And the
Yeah,
closing
you-
day is 30 days from now, around a
Yes.
month.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
that's correct.
So
Yeah.
your new home is closing, everything is on time.
Yeah. Hopefully, yeah, everything goes good.
Good, good.
Yeah. Thanks for the help also.
That's good.
We appreciate.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So far, your experience with our team is very happy with the service, right?
Yeah, we have been in contact with your team and
Yeah.
your office also.
Yeah.
They have been very nice.
Yes.
Their response was warm always. They were giving whatever feedback was.
Yes, yes.
So,
Yeah.
so very nice.
So before we met up, okay, you're doing the for sale by owner before, right? You are doing the for sale
Yeah,
by owner.
yeah.
In the changing market, like 2023,
Yeah.
it's not easy, right? It's not easy.
Correct,
A lot
yeah.
of uncertainty from the
Correct,
buyer.
correct.
Right? But once we work together as a professional, okay, we
Yes.
find the perfect closing day, the reasonable price, and everything is suitable.
Yeah. I found it's easy to have a
Professional.
professional person to
Excellent.
help in selling house.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much for sharing your experience with
Very
my
nice.
future client. Okay, so if you know any friends or neighbor planning on selling, give us a call.
Sure.
Okay, we
Sure,
very
we will.
specialize helping people in this type of uncertain market.
Sure, we will. Yeah.
Okay,
Definitely.
thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mohammed.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for giving us opportunity.
Thank you, Jason.
And looking forward to serve your referral in the future as well.
Sure.
Okay,
We will.
Thank you so much.
Thank
okay,
you.
thank you. Thank you so much again. Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks.
We'll keep in touch. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.